Hello guys, welcome on in all. This is Pawan, your friend and mentor from the Trading Mind. So today I am going to talk about a difference between what is trading and what is investment. There is clear segregation of duties between investment and trading. So I want to take one by one and can help you so that you can focus on when you should go for investment and when you should go for trading. So let's go with the first one. What is investment? So investment is nothing but where you can invest your money, invest your time for a longer duration of time, so that the growth will be good, the growth will be great, because the investment also needs some time to grow. And here it is like planting a seed today and allowing it for it to grow like a tree. So the plant cannot grow in one day, right? The tree cannot grow in one day. So you may have to wait for some days, some years, so that it will grow. Similarly, an investment as well. Today, whenever you want to do any investment, right? So you go and invest in anything. Let's say real estate, let's say bonds, FDs, or stock markets, anywhere, wherever you do investment, you need to wait, right? Warren Buffett didn't become an overnight billionaire. He spent 30 long years, right? He understood a quality stock. What does it mean by a quality stock? Quality business. He put his money, he waited, he reviewed, he kept on reviewing his investment, but he waited for it to grow. So you also have to do the same thing. You have to put your money where you believe the business is in, the company you believe in, the real estate or the property or a land or a gold or a silver or any commodity which you believe in, so that you have a longer horizon of next 5 years, 10 years. At least that kind of focus you should have before you get onto an investment. Let's say an example. I want to invest my money. I have 10 lakh rupees capital, 20 lakh rupees capital. What can I invest? Most of the people know that, sir, I can go and invest in real estate, right? Real estate is the easiest way to go and invest. And of course, the appreciation is almost guaranteed. But all your money is in a single sector here. All your money is in real estate. It is not diversified. So also you need a big capital to go and invest in any land today. Let's say I want to buy a piece of land, 30-40 site. So minimum capital required to buy any land nowadays is at least 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, right? So in the suburbs it may be less, but in the cities it is even higher. So everybody may not have this kind of a money to go and invest in markets or to go and invest in real estate. So there is an area which is called as stock market, where you can invest from 100 rupees. You don't need a big money today. All you can do is start with 100, 200, 300, 500 per month, then increase 5,000, 10,000. So I'm not saying invest all your money into markets. I'm saying do all your investment first. You do all your FD, RD, all the things, whatever you want to save it for your retirement plan, kids education. The final part, you go and invest in the stock market. So that too in a very good quality stock by analyzing the business. So that is called as an investment, where I am ready to wait for 5 years, 3 years, 10 years down the lane, so that this company can grow. For example, if I take a simple example, let's say TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. What a wonderful company it is. It's a wonderful company, has a quality IT technology, consulting business, and it is having a market capitalization which is the highest among all the stocks in Indian stock market. And it is one amount coming from the Tata group, which can be favorable for Indian market. And for the next 10 years, does this company stands? Of course, IT sector is booming and it is going to perform as well. So TCS is one example where the TCS has given year on year at least 25% returns, ROI. ROI means return on investment. So 25% year on year keeps on compounding, guys. Every year it keeps on compounding. And Tata Consultancy Services, the bank, if you go and put the money in a bank, you are getting 5% income in an year. But if the same amount, if you've gone and invested in Tata Consultancy Services, which you know that's a quality company, wonderful business, wonderful parameters on all aspects, analyze the company's business, stock holding patterns, analyze the chart of a company, patterns of a company, shareholding of a company, quarterly results of a company, everything is good. And as a sector, IT is booming as well. So there is no doubt that you can go and do the investment. And 25% year on year you are getting without any hesitation from the past 10-15 years, and the data also speaks. So this kind of a quality business you need to understand, rather than getting just 5% of income in 1 year after inputting in your bank account, you can earn more than 20% returns when you just even go and invest in a TCS as well. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you do not invest in a quality stock today, you can't beat the inflation. There is a lot of inflation in Indian market as well as global market. And recently you have seen that a lot of Fed hikes are happening, RBI rate hikes are happening, and this is going to affect us. So to beat the inflation, we need to go and invest somewhere. And this is where the invest comes into part. So as I said, investment means going ahead and investing in a business, in a company for a longer duration. Have a longer thought, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the lane, and see how your money can grow. And now coming to the trading part. So trading is nothing but for a shorter duration. You buy today, you sell today itself. Or you buy today, you sell after 3 days, 5 days, 1 month itself. So this is only to capture the smallest of the movements in the market so that you can make profit. For short-term trading, you can choose any of the stocks, and the best stocks can be Nifty 50 stocks. Nifty 50 stocks are the top 50 stocks which are good in Indian market, right? You can go ahead and plan a good stock. In the past 50 days, you see what is a moving average line, where it is taking a support, where it is taking the resistance. Is it the company is doing well? So plan and organize your trade, put your money into that, and after 2 weeks, you can take out the money. So analyzing a business, analyzing a company, technically analyzing where to trade and where to exit, it also matters with technical analysis. If you do not know technical analysis, learn about the technical analysis. There are various sources to learn from. Then once you learn it, you can implement that and start doing some trading. You can do intraday trading where you can trade on same day, buy on the same day and sell on the same day. And you can also do a swing trading if you don't have time. You can buy today and sell after 3 days, right? Recently, if you know that there was a dip in Indian markets, and after recent dip, hardly you can see every stock have bounced 10-15%. After the recent Fed hike, the stock market has fallen down. Most of the stocks have fallen down. From then we had a bounce of 10-15%. So that 15% or a 10% you could have grabbed in just one week to 2 weeks. So that is called as swing trading or a short-term trading. And this is possible. And you should not invest all your money in a single stock. You divide your capital and invest in multiple stocks and keep rotating it. And this is really a skill as well. So as you do a diversification in your investment, you should also diversificate in your trading as well. So for more details, for more learning, do join us, do follow the Trading Minds channel so that you can keep on learning more aspects and always connected with us. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed earlier, and please hit a like button as well as comment whatever you feel for, so that if you think that some value addition is happening here. See you again in the next video.